Khatarshnong Laitkroh C&RD blok kadon kijaka ka baitanan habun kiliang ban kentiwe gani menteri rangba ka jela kurat sama wala hiar dala di shnong kitau boper marru bani kendui ki pajba nongshong shnong bani kren habai debat karoi kapar ha kini kijinglai jurip ukon rat ula lejngo ikijingtrai jo Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act halat mausiang badlat sok plia hakaba ula ya kendui ke nong trai sispa sngi self-help group but the village organization kiba penpau ki jingchang ban kentiu ya ki yo ka kot kham tam ya ka shnong ka thau susu na keleng menteri rangba ula penpau bak sarkar jela kadon ni ki jingyu I chngai ban kentiu ka lai drangau ban penkalai ka shnong ka thau baro ka wei ban chna ya ka children's park but ban pli ya ka open gym ha garden of cave park but kiwei ka kam jing ban roi
put this one.
Okay.
So just put it as an additional one.
Okay.
I'll tell the contractor to do this one. Just the children's park. They doesn't have to put open gym, but we'll do the children's park.
Okay, sir.
The right. I saw the parking. Yeah. So you want to level that and make it parking. Expand also. And the road. You mentioned the road also. You want to make the parking yourself only?
Yes.
Or is it the? Yeah, just make sure of that. So what we need to figure out is, as I said, I want to develop this into a slightly more modern look. So if this is, even if it's in this PWD, no problem. PWD build it and we'll lease it out to them. Or whatever, or give it back to them, whatever it is. But we won't charge them for it. But I think we need to just do this up. We can have a word with them. Along the way, I just want to do that. Along the way, all these places, locations, wherever we have this kind of places, how can we give it a lift? Just make it same thing, same people will run it, everything, but it'll just look better. That's all. So I need to do that. I need to figure out. So you have to give me the roadmap. Make me the proposal. Tourism, landowner, location-wise, everything. Then number 2, apart from infrastructure, these same people, we need to give them soft skills. I would like to give them training about just a simple thing about hygiene, simple thing about cleanliness, something about courteous. We have courteous already, but how can we polish it up and make it better? So I want to do these 2 things: infrastructure improvement and the manpower soft skill improvement. Can we just work on that? Just let me know. We'll give the full support from tourism from everywhere. So we are here in Lights of Leh, and we have come to see the different kind of infrastructures in tourism and how to improve the overall infrastructure and overall experience for the tourists. This of course is an area which has got huge potential, and hence we feel that by ensuring that we are able to improve the basic infrastructure here, we are seeing the shops. We would like to see that how we could make it better, provide better infrastructure, better experience for the tourist, cleaner systems out here, more trained people. So our same people will be running this place, but they should be, or they can be trained a bit more in hospitality, so that the experience for the tourist ultimately improves. So today I am going to multiple locations to check this out and improve the basic infrastructure like parking areas, toilets, footpaths, the roads, all these basic infrastructures to be improved all along this circuit of Sora circuit, and as I said, and how to create employment through tourism by ensuring that we're able to promote the local shops, we're able to promote the local VOs or SHGs by providing them training and different kind of machinery so that they can make tourist related products like souvenirs. So all these are being looked into, and I'm happy that I've got a very, very positive response from the people out here, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to take tourism and the entire experience of the tourist to a new level, and through that create better employment opportunities for the people living in this area.
Water scarcity is a problem here because we have no proper source of water. As of now, I would say in summer, so much of rainfall we receive, but we cannot capture rainwater. The reason is that we don't have the capacity to build water tanks to harvest rainwater. So also we have approached our MLA, and he has given an assurance that we will work hard so that the work, because we know that water has to come here from a faraway place. So to speed up the work so that we avail this basic necessity. So we hope that you will work together with our MLA, and we hope that in years to come we will get this basic necessity. Thank you, sir.
So I would like to inform all of you that the SWARE Combined Water Supply Scheme, which is targeting 8 habitations, including this village, has already been sanctioned at an amount of 47.5 crores. So almost 48 crores has been sanctioned, and the preliminary work order also has been issued. So I expect the water supply work to start very, very soon.
Innovation jom pila pesno na pada bak belanda do plan ro by local MLA. Desa ipo penskem mula kata don kata ka SWARE Combined Water Supply Scheme. Begitu ya plan kisnong untuk yang sojong piro. Pada gede ka yu kam la ya cekmat barhaga pisah dalam bahadu 10 crore kan mangan kata kan bagi sojong pi kumala pesno ramasno kinya Hapdeng sojong pi. Kam kenjat kan gesdaka would he man mobility can proses la ya cekmat.
And as I was mentioning to you that this village has taken a lot of initiative through the women's self-help groups and the VOs out here, where every member from each family, a member from each family in this village is part of a self-help group. And all these products you're seeing in front are all made out of millet. And since this is a year, International Year of Millet, this village and the VO has decided to process the millet out here, and they've asked for a processing plant. And I'm happy to inform them that I have decided that we will put up a very good processing plant out here, and also a restaurant to showcase the products that they make, as this will encourage support the locals out here, as well as encourage other villages and other VOs also to move in similar lines. So these are great products, all being made out of millet out here. It's a great example for other villages and other self-help groups to follow. It's amazing, yeah. I'm so impressed with this. Yeah, I got it. This is really good. So, I don't know how to ask this, but so this product is selling?
Yes.
And how much revenue do you get in a year, in a month? Per month? 5,000 per month, 10,000 per month. How are you lady will know? And this is? Oh. Another product that is made with millet. This is millet horlicks, they're calling it. So basically, again, you just have to mix it with hot water, and obviously you get all the nutrition that you can get from the millet, and therefore it's again a very unique product. And I'm really impressed with this, the VO, the work that the self-help groups are doing, the innovation that they're doing, and we'll be very, very happy as a government to give them full support so that they are able to increase their production and also to package the products in a better manner so that the market linkage also gets better. And we should be promoting these products in all our tourist destinations. So I really congratulate all of you and thank all of you for your initiative, and assure you of all the support from our side to take the products and make the whole production even better. Yes, it is. It is. The whole world. The whole now. Yeah. Don't eat it.
We want to see something.
Nah.